Laser engraving and cutting leather. Why leather? Leather is an extraordinarily well-known material to laser etch and cut for different reasons. Raw leather sheets and pre-made calfskin items are generally reasonable, very sturdy, and have a high seen esteem, particularly when they are customized for a client with a laser. Types of leather. The engraving results you achieve with your laser depend on the kind of leather you're working with and how the laser beam reacts with it. There are 4 primary kinds of leather. Full grain leather, highest quality. Top grain leather, second highest quality. Corrected grain, bottom cut split leather, also known as genuine leather. Bonded leather, lowest quality, made up of leftovers of the hide. There are several options under the 4 primary types of leather, including pigmented leather, veg-tanned leather, antique grain leather, and many more. Suede is another type of soft leather, and while not as durable as the types we mentioned above, it can also be laser engraved and cut. Laser engraving leather. The process of engraving or etching leather results in a debossed effect, and, depending on the surface of the leather, produces a noticeable and clean contrast. Light-colored leathers produce significant color contrast, whereas engraving darker leathers results in a more subtle contrast. If you need a dynamic color contrast, go with a tan, beige, or light brown leather. Your engraving results are mostly dependent on the type of leather used as well as your laser speed, power, and frequency settings. As with any material, we always recommend testing different parameters until you achieve your desired results. Laser cutting leather. Depending on the wattage of your laser, you'll be able to cut through leather anywhere between 1/16 and 1/4 in thickness, perhaps slightly thicker with 2 passes. There are several benefits to using your laser to cut leather. First, the laser provides sealed cuts that won't fray or otherwise deteriorate. Secondly, unlike manual leather cutting tools such as utility knives and rotary cutters, cutting leather with a laser is incredibly fast, precise, and perhaps most importantly, consistent. Additionally, cutting with the laser eliminates warping that can sometimes happen with hand tools. When using the laser to cut leather, there is no part-to-part contact, which means there are no blades or costly parts to replace. Lastly, there's no time wasted clamping down leather for processing. Simply insert the sheet into your laser bed and engrave or cut your desired pattern. What kinds of leather products can you laser engrave cut? Because leather is so abundant and versatile, the possibilities of what you can cut, engrave, are almost endless. Here is a list of just some of the beautiful leather creations you can make with your laser. Bookmarks, bracelets, briefcases and portfolios, coasters, guitar straps, hat patches, headbands, journals, keychains, necklaces, ornaments, pet collars, photographs, purses and handbags, shoes, sports memorabilia, wallets, and so much more. Good luck to you all. Keep dreaming and creating. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos.